Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the iPhone. First you will need to turn on your smart band and you can do it by plugging it into a charger. Once you plug it into a charger, it should start charging and it should turn on automatically. After the smart band turns on, you should see a list of languages on the screen and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use on your smart band, tap on it to select it, and then you can tap on the arrow to continue. Now you should see the pair first on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Zap application on our iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. Tap on search icon right here, then tap on the search bar, type in Zap and tap search. Find this application with this icon, Zap, tap on it to select it, tap on Get button to install it. After the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. Here we can allow the permission for the locations for the application. So if you want to track your like activities, you will need the location. So if you want to do that, tap on allow. If you don't, you can also deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Next we have the permission to use the Bluetooth, and this is required one, so tap on OK to allow it. And now we need to log into an account. You can also create a new account if you need to by tapping on create account, or you can rather tap right here to use the third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, Apple. I'm just gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you enter the credentials, you can tap on sign in. Once you log in, you may get more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is for the notifications. So if you want to be able to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smart band, you need to allow it. If you don't, you can tap on don't allow. Next, we have the access to the motion and activities. So if you want to track your activities, your heart rate and stuff like that, you need to allow some permissions. To do it, tap on OK, and it will redirect you to the page. If you don't want to do it, tap on don't allow. I'm gonna tap on OK, and it's gonna redirect you to the health access. And here you can allow the permissions for the certain features. As you can see, you can simply tap on the switch to flick it on. You can also tap on turn on all or turn off all. And once you're done customizing the settings, tap on allow. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page of the Zap application. Now tap on the profile icon right here to open the profile page, and on it you have the add device button. Tap on it, tap on band, tap on agree. The app should start looking for the nearby devices. And after a second or two, it should find your band. Now tap on the check mark on the band to confirm. Then tap on pair. Again, we can allow the permissions for the notifications or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And here we can restore the reminders and other settings. I'm just gonna tap on don't restore, but if you want to restore them from your previous device, you can do it. Okay. And once you see the device page for your Amazfit Band 5, this means that the devices are paired, and you can also use your smart band now, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you pair this band, or smart band rather, with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.